Good morning friends. Already we discussed some problems in first video, how to solve two variables, how to add two variables and how to subtract two variables. So today we discuss the two topics are there, multiplication with brackets and second one LCM and find unknown value. So we discuss one by one. Let's start with 13th problem. So let's take 13th problem. 13th problem is 6 bracket 2x minus 3y plus 2z. So now everyone see, first you have to multiply with each term. This is first step, this is second step and this is third step. Okay, so first I will multiply two numbers, only numbers, 6 into 2, 12. Now what is left? X. So remember one thing, at last we have to see which one it's carrying positive, this one also carrying plus. So plus plus will be plus. At last we have to see. Okay. Now 6 into 3. First I am multiplying only numbers. 6 into 3, 18. Carrying y. Now it carries plus sign. Plus minus will be minus. So it comes minus. Clear? Now third step, 6 into 2. How much? 12. Okay. Now tell me how. Now plus plus will be plus and it should be z. So this is the answer. Okay. Clear everyone? Now let's go for the 14th sum. 14th sum, minus 2 into minus x minus y minus z. Now everyone see. Okay. Same steps like this only. First I will multiply with number, but there is no numbers are there. So can I say this is 1, here also 1, here also 1. So just 2 into 1, it will be 2 and 2x. Okay, 2x. 2x. Now it carries minus sign. It also carrying minus sign. So minus minus will be plus. Okay, plus. Again 2 into 1, 2y. But now minus minus will be plus. Now 2 into 1, 2. Okay, minus minus will be plus. So it comes. Clear? This is the answer. I hope you understood how to solve this type of problems. Now 15th problem. 15th problem, x plus 2 in bracket okay, this is a question. We have to just simplify. We have to just simplify the equation. Now see, I will write first this as it is, x. Okay, I will write as it is. X. Now I will multiply each term like this. Before we did na, like this only we do. So let's read here. 2 into 1, 2. 2x. Plus plus will be plus. Okay. Now 2 into 2, 2 plus plus will be plus and 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Now it's completed. Now minus. Don't put minus sign directly. Don't put the sign directly. Now minus 3 into 1. First can I say this is 1? So 3 into 1, 3. X is there. So x will come. Okay. Now minus minus will be plus, so it come plus. Minus minus will become plus. Okay. Now again 3 into 3 will be 9, but minus plus will be minus. Clear? But from here onwards you have to separate number one side and variables one side. So how many variables? 1, 2, 3. 3 variables are there. So separate. X plus 2x plus 3x. Okay. Now plus 4 and this is minus 9. Okay. I am separating. Now can I say 1x plus 2x, 3x. 3x plus 3x, it becomes 6x. Plus minus will be minus. So 9 minus 4, 5. Which sign is greater? Minus sign is greater. Then minus will come. Clear? I hope you understood this problem. Now let's go for the 49th sum. 4 bracket 1 minus x plus 3 2 minus x is equal to minus 4. Okay. But we have to find now x value here. What is x value? Simple, very simple. You just first I'm multiplying. Same steps. 4 into 1 4. Plus plus will be plus because it is also plus. It should be also plus. Now this plus now, this also plus. So 4 into 1 because nothing is there. Can I say this is 1? So 4 into 1 4. Okay. Plus minus will be minus. And it comes x. Okay. Now this one is completed. This one is completed. Now I will come to here. We have to find x value here. Okay. Now don't put directly plus sign. I am telling you, don't put the directly plus sign here. Now 3 into 2. 3 into 2 6. Now plus plus will be, now put plus. Okay, because plus plus will be plus. Now 3 into 1. So it comes 3. Okay. Now 3x plus minus will be minus is equal to minus 4. Clear? Now I said na variables one side, numbers one side. Let's do it. How many variables? 1, 2. Now put one side. Minus 4x minus 3x plus 4 plus 6 is equal to minus 4. Clear this one? Everyone? Now tell me minus minus will be plus. So 4x plus 3x 7x. Both signs are same. So put 1 minus. Okay? Now plus 4 plus 6 because plus plus will be plus. So 4 plus 6 10 is equal to 4. Okay? Now come minus 7x. Now this plus 10 goes that side becomes minus. So it comes 4 minus 10. Clear? Because this plus sign will go that side becomes minus. Okay? Now minus 7x is equal to minus 6. So it comes x is equal to, now remember one thing, if both having a minus sign and in between is equal to is there, then you have to cancel this. Okay? Now so x is equal to this multiplication now. So multiply both that side becomes division. Okay, so this is the answer. Clear everyone? This all about how to solve multiplication with brackets. Okay, so these related questions, related problems are based on this only, and this is your homework. Okay, you try just this sums. Clear everyone? Okay. Now let's go for the second topic. Okay. Okay. Now let's take 18th problem. See, this type of problem so many times came in exam. Remember, this type of problem so many times it came in exam. So you have to be careful about this type of problems. Now first 18th. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by x is equal to 4. We have to find the x value. See, remember one thing, if we want to find a x value, then keep it one side. Keep it in one side and all numerical values at one side. So here is a x value is there. So bring this side, right side, and this plus 4 you have to bring left side. Okay. Now this you have to write as it is. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now this plus 4 goes that side becomes minus 4. Okay. Is equal to minus, because this plus 1 by x goes that side, becomes minus. So minus 1 by x. Okay. Now let's take LCM. You know how to take LCM? You already studied. Okay, how to take LCM. So what is the LCM of 3, 2 and 1? Will be 6. Okay. So 6 is the LCM. Now how to do? You know na? 6 divided by. Okay, I will. Next time onwards I will not explain. 6 divided by 3 into 1. Okay. Now plus 6 divided by 2 into 1. Okay. Again minus 6 divided by 1 into 4. Okay, is equal to minus 1 by x. Clear? Now solve. 6 divided by 1. We have to don't multiply this first, because board mass. You know, you have to always use board mass. You have to use board mass always. Okay. So first division will come. Okay. Then after multiplication is there. Clear? Now 6 divided by 3, it comes 3. 3 into 1. Okay. Plus 6 divided by 2. 3 into 1. Okay. Minus 6 divided by 1. 6 into 4 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by x. Clear? Now 3 into 1, 3 plus 3 into 1, it will be 3. Sorry, it comes 2, because 6 divided by 3, 2. Okay. So now plus 3 into 1, 3 minus 24 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by x. Clear? Now do it. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 minus 24 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by x. Now plus minus will be minus. So 24 minus 5, 19. So minus 19 will come, because 24 is bigger number than 5. Is equal to minus 1 by x. I already I said, if equal to is there, then you can cancel the plus sign directly. Now cross multiply. 19 into x is equal to 6 into 1. Okay. Now 9 into x, 19 into x is equal to 6 into 1, 6. Now this multiplication part goes that side, becomes x is equal to division. So 6 by 19. So this is the answer. Clear? This is the answer. I hope you understood. Now let's go for the next problem, 21. Problem. See, those only problems are related questions only. Okay. So 21 problem. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 1 by 2. We have to find x. Similar. First we have this is a mixed fraction. You just convert into fractions. Now do x minus. You know how to convert 2 into 1? 2. 2 plus 1, because 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So it comes 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2. Okay. Now I said now always number one side and variables in one side. So this plus minus 3 by 2 both that side becomes plus. Okay. So x is equal to 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Okay. So x is equal to, what is the LCM of 2 and 2? Is 2 only. 2. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 by 2. It comes 4. So 1 time, this is 4 times. Clear? Very simple problem, but you have to practice. Okay. Okay. Now come to the 28th problem. X by 2 plus x by 3 is equal to 5. we have to find x value. In this type of problem, I will explain you very simple way. You can take LCM also. You can take first. There are two methods. Okay. First LCM we have to take 2 and 3. What is the LCM? 6. Okay. Now 6 is the LCM. I said now 6 divided by 2 into x. Okay. Plus 6 divided by 3 into x is equal to 5. You can write like this. Okay. This is the first method. This I am telling first method. How to solve. Second method I will tell you simple way. Now 6 divided by 2 will be 3. 3 into x plus, tell me, 3 into 2 into x by 6 is equal to 5. Okay. Now 3 into x, 3x plus 2 into x, 2x by 6 is equal to 5. If nothing is there, can I say this is by 1, 5 by 1? Can I say? Yes. Now 3x plus 5x, it comes 5x by 6 is equal to 5 by 1. Okay. Now do cross multiplication. Okay. So 5x into 1 is equal to 6 into 5. Okay. Now 5x, because 5x is into 1, anything you multiply with 1, it comes same only. So 5x is equal to 6 into 5, 30. Now this x is equal to this multiplication bar, both that side becomes division. So 30 by 5. So this one time, this is 6 times. It becomes 6. Clear? This is the first method how to solve. In second method I will tell you same only. You can go for any method. Second method I will explain you. See, if it not needed to every time we have to take LCM, you just multiply these two. Multiply these two and cross multiply. Multiply 2 into 3, 6. Now multiply 3 into x, it comes 3 into x. Okay, plus 2 into x, okay, is equal to 5. Clear? Now 3 into x will be 3x plus 2 into x, it comes 2x. Okay, by 6 is equal to 5. Okay, now its same answer will come 5x by 6 is equal to 5. Okay, now cross multiplication. 5 into x into 1 is equal to 6 into 5. Okay. Now it comes 5x is equal to 30. Now x is equal to 30 by 5. It comes 1 the 6. You can go any method. Second method or first method. Both are same only. Clear? Now let's go to the 29th problem. See, 29th also same as it is at 28. X by 2 minus 1 is equal to 2x by 3 minus 2. We have to find x value. Okay? So, I always suggest variables one side and numbers one side. So, I will send this minus 1 that side and this one I will send left side. Clear? So now x by 2, this plus goes that side becomes minus. So minus 2x by 3. Okay, is equal to minus 2. This minus goes that side becomes plus 1. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, so now I will go to the same method. Before we did now how to take LCM, so I will go directly. I am multiplying this and just cross multiply. So 2 into 3, tell me 6. So 3 into x, it comes 3x. Minus 2 into 2x, tell me 4x. You know how to 2 into 2x, it comes 2 into 2x will be 4x. Okay, minus sign is there. Is equal to minus plus will be minus. So 2 minus 1, 1. So which sign will come? Minus sign, because 2 is bigger than 1. Okay. Now plus minus will be minus. So 4x minus 3x, it comes 1x. Which sign will come? Minus sign will come. By 6 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Can I write like this? Okay. Now cross multiply. Again. 1 in minus 1x into 1 is equal to 6 into minus 1. Okay. Now minus 1 into 1 minus 1x only is equal to 6 into minus 1. It comes minus 6. Clear? Because plus minus will be minus only, na? Okay. Now I said minus will be cancel. So x is equal to, can I say 6 by 1? So 6 by 1 is nothing but 6 only, na? So the answer is okay. Clear? Okay, I hope you understood this problem. Okay, all are same only, you have to do. Okay. Okay, clear? Now let's take 50th problem. Okay, 4 into y minus 34, 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2y minus 6. Okay, we have to find the y value. First brackets. First open the brackets. Multiply this one and this one. Multiply. 4 into y will be 4y. Very good. Otherwise I will write 1 by 1. 4 into y. Okay. Now 4 into 3 by 4. Now plus minus will be minus. Here. Okay. Now. Okay. So 1 by 2 into 2 by y minus 1 by 2 into 6. Clear? Clear everyone? Oh sorry. See, 1 by 2 into 2y. Now 1 by 2 into 6. Now plus minus will be, because this is plus, so plus minus will be minus. This is main step. If you know this, then you automatic you know. Okay. So first 4 into y, 4y. Now can I cancel this one time, because these are multiply only, na? So can I say minus 3? Only minus 3 is left now, because 1 into 3 will be 3 is equal to 1 time. Can I cut this 1 time? Okay, so 1 into y, tell me y only, minus this 1 time, this is 3 times. Okay, so it comes 3, because 1 into 3, 3. Now I said variables, remember variables always one side and numbers in one side. 4y, I will sending this minus that side, and this plus 1 is goes that side. Okay. Now 4y minus y is equal to minus 3 plus 3. Okay. Now 4y minus 3y, sorry, 4y minus y will be 3y, because plus minus will be minus. Okay, so 4y minus y will be 3y is equal to minus plus will be minus. So 3 minus 3, 0. It comes 0. Now this multiply goes that side, goes division, 0 by 3. 0 by 3? 0 by 3 means 0. Very good. Clear? Clear everyone? Now let's go for 51. Okay. 1 by 3 is equal to x minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1. Actually, in your material also, it will be, in material, it should be plus sign is there, okay? Plus sign is there, okay? You can also correct. So it will be plus. This is very important question. Now listen. First I will multiply this and cross multiply. Okay, remember. Now multiply. Multiply 3 into 4. 3 into 4 will be 12. Okay. Now 4 into x plus 1 plus 3 into x minus 1. Cross multiply I am doing. Okay. Is equal to 1. Now start. 4 into x and 4, same process, okay? Before 1. So 4 into x, 4x. 4 into 1, 4. Plus 3 into x, 3x. 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3. Okay? By 12 is equal to 1. Now upper part you have to see. Now upper part, numerator you have to see. Variables one side. So 4x plus 3x plus 4 minus 3 by 12 is equal to 1. Okay. Now 4x plus 3x will be 7x plus minus will be minus. Okay. Plus minus will be minus. So 4 minus 3, 1. Which sign will come? Plus sign will come because 4 is bigger than 3 by 12 is equal to 1. Put 1. Now cross multiply again. So 7x plus 1 into 1 is equal to 12. Okay? Tell me, if anything is multiply 1, then that number only comes. So 7x plus 1 is equal to 12. Now this plus 1 goes that side, becomes minus. So 12 minus 1. It comes 7x is equal to 11. Okay? So x is equal to, this multiply goes that side, becomes division. Okay? Clear everyone? Okay. I hope you understood this. Okay? Clear? Now 52. Now come to the 52. X plus 4 plus x plus 2 by 3 is equal to x plus 3 by 2. It comes plus is equal to 0. Now we have to find the x value. Okay. So remember, now you can't take at a time all three numbers multiplication. This only applicable only for the 2. Now there are 3 are there. So you have to take LCM only. Now LCM you have to take 4, 3 and 2. Tell me how. What is the LCM? 3, 2, 3, 1. 2, 1, 3, 1. 3, 1, 1, 1. So 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 20, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is a LCM. Okay? So 12 is a LCM. Now 12 is a LCM. Now 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 into x plus 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 into x plus 2. Right. Okay? Small bracket. This becomes bigger bracket. Okay? Now plus I am writing plus, continue, 12 divided by 12 divided by 2 into x plus 3. Okay? This is divided is equal to 0. Okay? Now 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 3 into x plus 12 divided by 3, 4. Okay? So 4 into x plus 2 plus 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 divided multiply by 6. Okay, divided by 12 is equal to 0. Now do it. 3 into x, 3x plus 4 into x and 4 into 2. So 4x, no need of keep brackets. 4x plus 8 plus 6x plus 18 by 12. Clear? Is equal to 0. Now variables one side. So 3x plus 4x plus 6x. This one plus 8 plus 18. Okay? Clear everyone? By 12 is equal to 0. Now 3x plus 4x plus 6x. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 6 13. So 13x plus 8 plus 18. It comes 26. Okay? Is equal to 0 by 12. Okay? Now I will write up. Okay. So 13. Now this cross multiply. So 12 into 0. 13x plus 26 is equal to 12 into 0. Because 12 into 0. Okay. So 13x plus 26 is equal to 12 into 0. If any number multiply with 0, it comes 0. So now this plus 26 both that side becomes minus. 13x is equal to minus 26. So x is equal to minus 26 by 13. It comes one time. This is 2 times. So x will be minus 2. Clear? Clear everyone? Now let's go for the 53 problem. 53. Very simple. 2x plus 1 by 7x minus 2 is equal to 3 by 5. You just cross multiply. 5 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 into 7x minus 2. Okay? Now do 1 by 1. Clear? So 5 into 2x it comes 10x plus 5 into 1 5 is equal to 3 into 7x 21x. Okay? 3 into 2 minus 6 because minus is there. Plus minus will be minus. Clear? Now variable one side. This plus go that side and this minus will sorry this minus 6. This will come that side. Okay, 21x will come that side. Now 10x minus because plus will go that side become minus. 21x is equal to minus 6 plus go that side becomes minus. Clear? Now 10x minus 21x it comes minus 11x is equal to minus will be plus. Okay, so 6 plus 5 11. So 11 will come. Which sign is greater? 6 is greater. 6 carrying minus. Now minus will be cancelled. Already I said. Now this multiplication goes that side becomes division. So x is equal to 11 by 11. So this one time. So x is equal to 1. Clear? Now let's go for the 54th last problem. X plus 1 by 3 into 2 plus 5x is equal to 6. See, very simple. Just multiply only. Just open the brackets. Now, x will be x only. Let's take plus 1 by 3 into 2 plus 1 by 3 into 5x is equal to 6. That's it. Multiply 1 into 2. First x plus 1 into 2 2 by 3 plus 1 1 into 5x, it comes 5x by 3 is equal to 6. Okay. Now can I take this 1? Now you have to take LCM. LCM of 1, 3 and 3. What is the LCM of 1, 3, 3? Will be 3. Okay. So now LCM is 3. Now I am writing 3. Now 3 divided by 1, 3. 3 into x, 3x. Plus 3 divided by 3, 1. 3 into 2, 6. Plus 3 divided by 3, 1. Okay? Sorry. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 into 2, it comes 2. Okay? 3 divided by 3, it comes 1. 1 into 5x, it comes 5x. It's equal to 6. Okay? Now, okay, so these two variables are there. So I am writing these two variables. Okay, plus 2 by 3 is equal to 6. Okay, now 3x plus 5x, it comes 8x plus 2 by 3 is equal to 6. Can I write 1? Now I am writing up to, see now. Now cross multiply. 8x plus 3 into 1 is equal to 3 into 6. Okay. So 8 into x, 8x. Okay. Clear everyone? So, sorry, this is 2. Okay. Now 8x plus 2 is equal to, because anything is multiplied with 1, it comes same only. So 3 into 6, 18. Now this goes that side. 8x, this plus goes that side becomes minus. Okay. So 18 minus 2. So 8x is equal to 16. So this multiply goes that side becomes division. So 16 by 8 comes 1s are 2s. So x is equal to 2. Clear? I hope you clear that. So that is why I am telling you related problems you have to do your own. Okay? See, similar only. Just you have to, once you have to see the problems, you automatically understood. Okay? So hope you understood. Okay. So now we go for the some more questions. Now we discuss more questions now. Now we have a new few more problems. Now we have to discuss these few problems. Now we discuss one by one. Now let's go for second 22. 2t minus 2 is equal to 7. So we have to find the t value. So this minus 2 both that side becomes plus. So 2t is equal to 7 plus 2. So 2t is equal to 9. And this multiply both that side becomes division. So this t is equal to 9 by 2. This is the answer. Okay, clear? Now let's 24. 26 is equal to 39y. We have to find the y value. So this multiply both that side becomes division. So y is equal to 26 by 39. So in 13 table, 13 2s are 13 3s are. Okay. So answer is 2 by 3. Clear? So now let's go for 25th. 4m minus 10 is equal to 34. Now we have to find the m value. So this minus go that side becomes plus. So 4m is equal to 34 plus 10. Okay. So 4m is equal to 44. Now this multiply go that side becomes division. 44 by 4. Now one time this 11 times. M is equal to 11. Clear? Now let's go for the next problem. (26) 5 by 2 is equal to 3 by x. We have to find the x value. You just cross multiply. Okay? Cross multiply. So 5 into x is equal to 2 into 3. Okay. So 5 into x, 5x is equal to 2 into 3, 6. Okay. So this multiply goes that side becomes division. So 6 by 5. So this is the answer. Okay. Now let's go for the 48 sum. 3x minus y by 5 is equal to 4. Now we have to find the y value. Cross multiply. Do cross multiply. So 3x minus y into 1, 5 into is equal to 5 into 4. Okay. So anything is multiplied with 1, it should be 3x minus y is equal to 5 into 4, 20. Okay. Now we have to find here x value. So this minus sign goes that side becomes plus. So 3x is equal to 20 plus y. Okay. Now this multiply goes that side becomes division. So x is equal to 20 plus y by 3. Okay. Clear everyone? Now. 56. 5p plus 3 is equal to 2p plus 9. We have to find the value of p. So I said already p term one side variable and one side all numbers. So this plus 2p goes that side and this plus 3 goes right side. So 5p minus 2p is equal to 9 minus 3. Okay. So 5p minus 2p. How much? 3p is equal to 9 minus 3, 6. So this multiply goes that side becomes division. So p is equal to 3 by 6 by 3. 2's are 1's are. So this is the answer. Okay. Now 57. 5y plus 10 is equal to 44. Okay. So we have to find the value of y. So this plus go that side becomes minus. So this plus go that side becomes minus. So 5y is equal to 44 minus 10. Okay. So 5y is equal to 34. Now this multiplication go that side becomes y is equal to division. 34 by 5. Okay. So 63. Okay. So 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. Okay. Now variable one side and numbers will be one side. 9y, this plus goes that side becomes minus and this plus goes that side becomes minus. Okay. So minus 15y is equal to minus 1 minus 5. Okay. Now plus minus will be minus. 15 minus 9, 6. 6y. But which sign will come? Minus sign will come because 15 is greater than 9. So minus minus will be plus. So 1 plus 5, 6. 6. Now both signs are same. Okay. So can I cancel this minus minus? Already I said now in previous question. So this multiply goes that side becomes division. 6 by 6. One time. So y is equal to 1. Okay. Clear? Now come to the 35th. Say these two problems are different because root are there. Okay. In 35 problem r is equal to root s by 4 pi. So we have to find s value. So remember, root always be in one side and all variables in one side. So just multiply, cross multiply. R into 4 pi is equal to root s into 1. Can I write like this? Now can I write 4 pi r direct is equal to root s into 1, root s only. Okay. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So I am doing squaring. 4 pi r whole square is equal to root s whole square. So remember one point, root and this square will be cancelled. Okay. So what is the 4 square? 16. What is pi square? Pi square only. R square? R square is equal to s. So this is the answer. Clear? Let's go to 36th problem now. T is equal to 2 pi root L by G. Now we have to find the L value. Okay. So this multiplication part both that side becomes division. So T by 2 pi is equal to root L by G. Okay. Now this division part goes that side becomes multiplication. This division goes that side becomes multiplication. So T by 2 pi into G is equal to root L. Okay. Now can I write Tg by 2 pi is equal to root L? Okay. So now again squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So Tg by 2 pi whole square is equal to root L whole square. Okay. Now this square and root will be cancelled. Okay. So T square G square by 2 square 4. Pi square will become pi square is equal to L. Clear? So this all our problems are very important, and remember one thing, you have to write down in sequence wise. Don't write as it is I am writing like this. You have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this sequence wise. Okay.